In 2025 and 2026, several high-demand pistols have experienced rapid sellouts globally due to innovative modular designs, optic-ready features, and high-capacity micro-compact frames. A revolutionary firearm is causing chaos in gun stores across the globe. Waiting lists stretch for months. Black market prices have tripled. What makes these pistols so desperately sought after? The answer involves cutting-edge technology that's rewriting the rules of personal defense, and governments are taking notice. Glock 19X. When Glock designed a pistol for the US Army's modular handgun system competition, they created something extraordinary. Meet the Glock 19X, where compact meets full size in perfect harmony. Cut to hand gripping pistol. This isn't just another handgun. The 19X combines the compact 19 slide with the full-size 17 frame, giving you the best of both worlds. The 4.02-inch barrel delivers accuracy and velocity, while the extended grip houses a robust 17+1 round capacity, plus 2 additional rounds with the included extended magazines. Action shots of features. Built for professionals, loved by enthusiasts. The striker-fired safe action system ensures consistent trigger pull every time. The coyote tan finish isn't just distinctive, it's durable. Factory night sights provide rapid target acquisition in any lighting condition. Close-ups of details. The ambidextrous slide stop lever accommodates all shooters. The lanyard loop and Glock Marksman barrel enhance both utility and precision. No finger grooves mean universal comfort. The flared mag well ensures lightning-fast reloads when seconds count. Final shot, Glock 19X with accessories. Whether for duty, competition, or personal defense, the Glock 19X delivers legendary Glock reliability in a package designed for real-world performance. The Glock 19X. Crossover perfection, SIG Sauer P320M17 compact. In 2017, the US military chose SIG Sauer. Now that same legendary performance comes in a compact package. Introducing the SIG Sauer P320M17 compact, where battlefield-proven reliability meets everyday carry. Cut to slow-motion slide action. This is the civilian version of the military's M17, engineered for concealment without compromise. The 3.9-inch barrel delivers outstanding accuracy while maintaining a reduced profile perfect for concealed carry. Feature highlights with dynamic angles. The modular design revolutionizes versatility. Swap grip modules, slides, and calibers in minutes. One serialized fire control unit, endless configurations. The striker-fired system provides a smooth, crisp trigger pull with a clean break every time. Close-ups of key features. Coyote tan PVD finish, resists corrosion and wear. SIG-Light night sights ensure target acquisition in complete darkness. The 17-round capacity keeps you prepared, while the optics-ready slide accepts today's most popular red dots. Hands-on demonstration, ambidextrous controls work for any shooter. The enhanced grip texture provides control in any condition. Removable grip weight customizes balance to your preference. Final shot, P320-M17 compact with magazine and accessories, trusted by the US Armed Forces. Perfected for you. SIG Sauer P320M17 compact, duty ready, carry confident. C. Smith & Wesson took their legendary M&P platform and asked, what if we made it even better? The answer, the M&P 9 M2.0 carry comp factory integrated compensation meets cutting-edge carry design. Cut to ported barrel close-up. This isn't your standard carry pistol. The integrated compensator redirects gases upward, drastically reducing muzzle rise and felt recoil. Faster follow-up shots. Superior control, pure performance advantage, dynamic shooting sequence. The 4-inch ported barrel with Armor Night finish delivers match-grade accuracy, while the aggressive M2.0 grip texture locks your hand in place through every shot. 4 interchangeable palm swell inserts ensure a custom fit for any hand size. Laminate feature showcase. White dot front and tactical rack rear sights provide lightning-fast target acquisition. The flat-face trigger breaks crisply at approximately 5 pounds with tactile reset. 18-round capacity keeps you in the fight longer. Technical details montage. Optics-ready slide accepts micro red dots without adapter plates. Ambidextrous controls accommodate all shooters. The rigid chassis system enhances accuracy, while stainless steel construction ensures a lifetime of reliability. Final shot, holstered draw and presentation. From concealed carry to competition, one pistol, unlimited capability. Smith & Wesson M and P9M 2.0 carry comp. Compensate for nothing. Glock 19 Gen 5. For over 3 decades, the Glock 19 has been the world's most trusted compact pistol. Now, the 5th generation takes perfection to the next level. Of course, this is the Glock 19 Gen 5. Cut to detailed slide action in slow motion. The ultimate do-everything pistol just got better. The 4.02-inch Glock marksman barrel delivers enhanced accuracy with improved polygonal rifling. Flared mag well ensures seamless, lightning-fast reloads when every second counts. Feature highlights with cinematic angles. No finger grooves means universal comfort for all hand sizes. The NDLC finish provides superior durability and corrosion resistance. Ambidextrous slide-stop levers accommodate left and right-handed shooters equally. Close-up of innovations. 5th generation upgrades include front slide serrations for press checks and malfunction clearances. The improved Glock safe action trigger delivers a smoother, crisper pull. 15-round standard capacity plus 2 included magazines. Action demonstration montage. Built on Glock's legendary reliability, functions in extreme heat, freezing cold, dirt, sand, and water. Minimal recoil, maximum control. The compact size conceals perfectly while providing full-size shootability. Final shot, Glock 19 Gen 5 with tactical light and spare mags. Law enforcement's choice. Civilian favorite. Competition ready. Home defense proven. Glock 19 Gen 5. Perfection refined. Ruger Max 9 Pro. When every millimeter matters, compromise isn't an option. Introducing the Ruger Max 9 Pro, the ultimate micro-compact pistol engineered for serious carriers who demand professional-grade performance. Cut to optics-ready slide showcase. This isn't just micro, it's mighty. Factory optics ready from the box, the Max 9 Pro accepts today's most popular micro red dots without adapter plates. And tritium fiber optic front sight and blacked out rear ensure rapid target acquisition in any lighting condition. Feature highlights with dynamic camera work. The 3.2-inch barrel delivers surprising accuracy in an incredibly slim, lightweight package. Textured polymer frame provides aggressive grip without printing under clothing. 12-round flush-fit magazines maximize capacity without sacrificing concealability. 2 included. Technical details montage. Striker-fired trigger breaks clean with short, tactile reset for fast follow-up shots. Bilateral slide stop and reversible magazine release accommodate all shooters. Enhanced slide serrations front and rear for positive manipulations. Concealed carry demonstration. Weighing just 18.4 ounces unloaded, it disappears on your hip, yet delivers when it matters most. 1. Flat trigger face improves consistency. Rugged construction withstands daily carry demands. Final shot, Max 9 Pro with multiple carry options. Big gun features. Micro compact package. Professional results. Ruger Max 9 Pro. Carry confidence maximized. CZ P10C. From a country legendary for firearms craftsmanship comes a pistol built for the American market. The CZ P10C, where European precision meets striker-fired innovation, cut to ergonomic grip showcase. This is CZ's answer to the modern carry pistol, and it's spectacular. The 4.02-inch cold hammer-forged barrel delivers match-grade accuracy that puts rounds exactly where you aim. Fiber-reinforced polymer frame keeps weight down while maintaining legendary CZ durability. But feature highlights with slow-motion details. The grip angle feels instinctively natural. Your hand flows to perfect alignment. Aggressive texturing without the bite, providing secure purchase in any condition. 3 interchangeable back straps ensure custom fit for every shooter's hand. Trigger pull close-up. That trigger, widely considered the best factory striker trigger available. Light, crisp break at approximately 4 pounds with short positive reset. It's what separates good pistols from great ones. Technical showcase montage. 15-round capacity standard. Flush fit magazines. Night ride finish resists corrosion and wear. Metal 3-dot sights with large, easy-to-acquire dots. Swappable magazine release for lefties. Forward slide serrations for press checks. Final shot, CZP 10C with accessories display, duty-ready reliability, competition-worthy accuracy, carry-friendly size, CZP 10C, old-world craftsmanship meets new-world performance, Springfield Armory Echelon ported. Springfield Armory didn't just build another pistol, they reimagined what a modern handgun could be. Meet the Echelon ported, where adaptive engineering meets compensated performance. Cut to integrated compensator firing sequence. Factory ported perfection. The integrated compensator drastically reduces muzzle rise and recoil, enabling lightning-fast follow-up shots. Combined with the 4.5-inch hammer-forged steel barrel, accuracy becomes effortless. Revolutionary features showcase. This is modular innovation redefined. It's the variable interface system accepts interchangeable back straps and grip panels. Over 20 configurations for truly personalized fit. Central Operating Group's serialized chassis means endless customization possibilities. Optics and sighting close-up optics ready with Springfield's innovative U-dot sight system. Tritium front dot tactical rack U-notch rear. Instantly intuitive co-witnesses perfectly with micro-red dots on the included optic mounting system. Technical details montage. Ambidextrous controls everywhere. Slide stops, magazine release, even takedown. Flat-face trigger with crisp brake and audible reset. 20-round capacity standard. Serious firepower in a carry-friendly package. Action demonstration, aggressive grip texturing, enhanced slide serrations front and rear, loaded chamber indicator. Fully ambidextrous design. Final shot, Echelon ported, fully configured, adaptive, compensated, unstoppable, Springfield Armory. Echelon ported, evolution accelerated, emerging trends driving sales optics. Ready slides, approximately 89% of top-selling units now ship with slides milled for red dot optics, compared to an industry average of 63% just a few years ago. Compensated micro compacts, manufacturers are increasingly integrating carry comp uncompensated barrels to manage the recoil of 9mm rounds in smaller concealable frames. Modular systems, platforms like the SIG Sauer P320, and Springfield Echelon allow users to change grip modules and sizes without buying a new serialized firearm, a feature now prioritized by 27% of premium buyers. These resources highlight the top-selling handguns of 2025 to 2026, detailing their features, regional demand, and sales trends. The firearms industry continues evolving at breakneck speed. From factory-compensated micro-compacts to fully modular platforms, today's pistols offer unprecedented customization and performance. Whether you prioritize concealability, capacity, or competition-grade accuracy, 2025's top sellers prove one truth: innovation never sleeps. Choose wisely, train relentlessly, stay safe. The future of personal defense is here.